integers na naman. Alam mo ba yung integers? Paras pala tayo eh. Tara, tanongin natin kay ma'am kung paano mag-integers. Ma'am, paano po ba mag-integers?
Hindi niyo alam mag-integers? Sige, mamaya, tuturuan ko kayo. Salutinians! I am your math teacher for today's video. Our lesson is about integers. Ano nga bang integers? Base sa mga estudyante, an integer is a whole number that can be positive and negative zero, and does not include decimal or fraction. Example, include, wait, paano pala tayo mag-example kung hindi nakalabas yung mga notebook at ballpen nyo? Ay naku, magtatampo na nga ako. Joke lang! Kaya ilabas nyo muna ang ballpen, lapis, at papel kung kinakailangan. Huwag calculator kasi cheater yon. Cheater is always not better. Cheater is not. Yan. Ano nga ba yung nasa gitna? So yung nasa gitna, that is 0. So this is our left. So yung sa left, that is negative. So ano naman yung sa right? That is positive. So paki-note, bring out your notebook, class. So you need to note yung left is negative and the right is positive. So let's go. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ayan po yung negative. So dito naman po sa positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is our positive. So ano nga bang pinagkaiba ng negative sa positive? Ang negative po is meron siyang line sa gilid ng number. And yung positive naman po is there's no line. So, pakikopya po itong sinusulat ko sa board. This is so, pakikopya po ito. And ang daming nagtatanong, bakit walang line ang 0? So, ito po yung meaning yan. Yun. Bakit wala daw ang 0? Bakit nga ba? Kasi, the 0 is no sign. Kasi, that is code type. Ito po code type. So, wala po yung sign. So, paano nga ba mo?
Here you go.
So, tatanungin natin ang aking mga bata kung naiintindihan. Ismael, Kingsley, naiintindihan niyo ba yung lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's proceed to the next stage. So, for example, kung paano natin makikita kung positive ba to or negative. So, for example, meron tayo ditong elevator. So, this is our elevator. Ayan yung elevator ng isang mall. And dito, may isang tao yan. Nasa ground floor siya. So, kung yung tao is pumunta sa ground floor, that is called 0. Tawag po dun is 0. So, 0 po dun. So, wala siyang sign. So, that is 0. Wala po siyang sign. Tapos, kung yung tao naman po is tumaas sa pinakataas sa upper, that is called positive. So, tawag po. So, ayan. Kung pag pumunta siya sa upper, that is called positive. Kopyahin niyo yan, class.
Yes.
Pati po yung nanonood, pakicopy po. At kung yung tao naman is pumunta dito sa lower, sa gitna. I mean lower. That is called positive again. Positive po ulit yun. Naiintindihan po ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, paano nga? So, kopyain nyo muna to. So, kopyain nyo muna yon, okay?
Opo.
Positive. So, paano naman? Different sign. negative. So that is different sign. So kapag, kunwari po, kapag yung number sign. For example, plus, ayan po, yung difference. Okay po. So, paano naman kapag So let's proceed to the division integers. So, paano naman kapag sign ng division? For example, this is the sign. And then, the difference, for example, again, this one. And here, we have different signs. I'm going to show you an example. That's like 6. And then the different sign is again. Like this. And this is the different sign of your station. So you need to copy this all of
I told you that I fallen.
It is something that is end of our discussion. Sorry if you
I'll make you breakfast every morning.
I hope you understand our video.
Pick you
And
up
I
when
hope you
you're
are
a man.
good luck to your another lessons in math. Bye-bye!
If I told you that I've fallen, not like